Hello people, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here once again giving you guys the tea on what goes on in my life. This is not a travel video. I'm traveling very soon actually, but this is not a travel or tourism video. This is a lifestyle stuff. So I am about to actually make crochet on my hair. I've done this hairstyle like a lot of times before, but I thought, okay, why not do it one more time? So I'm gonna be doing crochet on my hair very soon, but I thought to myself, why not give you guys a step-by-step process. Now right now I am in the loosening stage. I've had these braids on my hair for 2 months, and now it's time to take it off. It is taking forever though. I've been on this for 3 days. This is day 3. I can't go to the salon unfortunately, and nobody seems can actually help me because I have a problem with people helping me to loosen my hair. It really hurts when people pull my hair, and I don't know how I react in a very, this thing way. Or I start to cry. So I do the loosening part myself, which is why it's taking so long, unfortunately. Hopefully I finish before the end of the week so I can actually do other things. But right now we're just in the loosening process. Sadly, I don't know why I didn't think about cutting this hair and just letting it like turn into a bob on its own, because it's doing that right now and I really like how it's looking. But unfortunately it's already too late. I've already started loosening the hair. But yeah guys, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Let's go back to the loosening of the hair. Hello my people, hello. Yes, we are in day 4. Yes, so today is the 4th day of trying to loosen my hair, but on the right side we're halfway there. Can you guys see? I need to wash this hair when I'm done, but right now I'm halfway through. I'm done with like this side, the back. It's just like this side in front that's left, and I'm so excited because I can't wait to be done. So without further ado, let me finish it so I can go to the washing stage and then go to the actually making the hair. So yeah, wish me luck. Alright, so we're back again. So it's time to wash the hair. I've already started. I'm using the Mega Growth Anti-Dandruff shampoo and the Mega Growth, deep conditioner. Yeah, so I'm going to be using these 2 products because I love Mega Growth products. I have dandruff, so I'm using this, and I don't really like the breakage of my hair, so I'm using this also. So as I said, this crochet is old. I've used it before, so I had to wash it and dry it out. Hi people, so I'm back once again. It's actually been about 2 weeks since I washed my hair. I relaxed it like a week later. So this is like after I finished relaxing my hair. So now I'm gonna actually make the hair and make crochet. So this particular style, because of how the hair is, I can't do it one like I usually do, which means I have to do cornrows first and then fix it in. So we're gonna start by diving into the cornrows first. I have all my tools ready. I usually use gel, hair combs, all those gel. Anyway, I have all of them ready, so I'm just gonna dive right into that so you guys can wait up for me. So I'm sure you guys heard me say that it's been about 2 weeks since I actually did the last video of the washing hair, and then it's been about a week since I relaxed my hair, and there's a reason for that. Now usually I never do that, and I actually would never advise anybody to do that because it will actually spoil your hair. But unfortunately, because I was the one going to make my hair myself, I knew that I couldn't make it and it would last if my hair was as dew as it was when I first loosened it. So I decided that I was going to relax it so it's easy for me to make when the time comes. I should have washed it again like before I make it, but to be honest I cannot do anything on this hair anymore so my hair doesn't spoil. So I'm just gonna start making it. When I do cornrows, right, I have different methods where I do it or ways I do it. And by the way, I'm using shea butter. We have like a lot of it in the house, so I'm using shea butter on my hair right now. I would be using gel to style my hair just to make sure it's thick. Yeah, that's what you think. So when I do cornrows, I try to make sure the lines are not too big because I don't like the hair showing, that it's obvious that it's actually cornrows and not one. I do like to the back here, and then at the back I just do like a zigzag one. I'll show you guys in just a second. Yeah, so we're gonna dive right into that. still going. Halfway through, we're still going though. All right, so I'm about to, well, I've already started crocheting my hair. I finished the normal one. Guess what? I also took a shower when I was done making cornrows because it took forever, guys. Anyway, I'm about to start crocheting. So this hair, I've actually used this a couple of times, maybe 3 or 4 times. I got it in 2019. It's still really good. It's actually a Lush hair. I can't remember the name, but I know it was Lush. That was the first time I used the Lush product, and I really liked it. So I'm going to show you guys the end product in a bit, and I'm going to show you guys how to crochet. So yeah, just turn back with me. It is actually just this way because I don't really focus on, you know, how straight the line is, as long as it's neat. And yeah, that's really the major thing I go out for, and it looks nice in the pattern. It's completely fine by me. So yeah, the back might not be perfect because it's not supposed to be perfect, but yeah. So crocheting here is very easy. I have my crochet pin. What I do is I take my pin, I open it up. If you guys can see, I open it up, and then I take it into my, feed it into my hair. I start from the edge because I really need everything to be covered. And then I put the hair in, clip, and pull. When I pull it, I have a loop, put the hair through, and voila. Pretty easy. It's really easy, actually, extremely easy. So yeah, that's how it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest, and I will get back very soon. Okay, so I'm done. Finally, hair is done. I honestly wish I had better lighting because it's night. So I just finished making my hair. You can't really see how it looks from here. Let me see. It's possible. I don't know. Anyway, the hair is done. Yeah, so thank you guys once again for watching this video. I would be coming back again to give you guys more gist, a lot more. I did this hair for a reason, and you'll find out very soon. But yeah, hair is done. Tell me what you think, and would you be trying this out? I actually do recommend this because, as I said, this Lush hair has served me since 2019 and it's still going, and I really like how full it is and how it looks. The thing about this hair is it gets longer, so sometimes I have to cut it because it stretches out, but other than that, I really like the hair, I'm not gonna lie, and I hope you guys like it too. So thank you guys once again. Like, subscribe, share. I'll try to do more hair care videos in time, but right now we're going back to travel, so see you guys in my next video.